Good afternoon. Welcome to a very timely program enhancing eye care to the community all the way from primary to secondary to tertiary levels. All of you are providing eye care motivated by a noble purpose, that is, to alleviate visual impairment in the communities you serve. Essentially, all of you have one or more hospitals of tertiary and or secondary capabilities for in-campus services. All of you have services to reach out to patients who cannot access base hospitals for various reasons. Earlier, more than a couple of decades back, the only mode of outreach was by way of surgical camps in suboptimal facilities. This gave it to model of screening camps in the community and surgeries in base hospitals. Since then, primary eye care centers called vision centers have come into being. This also is a good sizable fundable unit for funding NGOs. This combination, unintentionally though, introduced and added vision centers in most organizations quickly, organically, rather than systematically. The primary requirement in establishing and running vision centers effectively will depend a lot on the leadership of hospitals views them as part of the hospital ecosystem, an extended OPD which happens to be off-site and not as a standalone independent facility outside the system. Since it is an OPD, it must follow the same protocol as the hospital in comprehensive eye examination of all patients. It should be backed by clinical diagnosis by an ophthalmologist from the base hospital by our teleconsultancy. Prescription of medicine, glasses, and referral advice needs to come from the doctor for legal compliance. Similarly, there needs to be an administrative support system for the vision centers linked to the hospital with regular, frequent on-site visits to deal with logistics, cash handling, equipment maintenance, and other issues which will crop up while working alone in the community. This will also help to integrate the vision center allied ophthalmic personnel to feel as part of the same ecosystem as the base hospital. As vision center ophthalmic personnel are off-site and have to do a lot of functions other than the normal OPD personnel, their training needs to be in the curriculum of what is required in hospital OPD, plus an extra curriculum to equip them with additional skills which are needed. Grooming persons from the same or nearby localities of vision centers where they'll be posted should be the norm. Stringing all this together would essentially require a common IT platform analogous to the base hospital so that they all have the same screen, same database to access the patient. Most of you have some of these elements already in place. However, based on our exposure to vision centers across the subcontinent, our observations are all of us could benefit by going through systematically checking what systems are in place, invigorating the systems which are already in place to function appropriately, instilling missing systems or components for the benefit of the community you all serve, as well as your institutions. This will help in structuring vision centers whose ownership is predominantly with hospitals, unlike the eye camps where the ownership was or should be predominantly with the community. Aravind also will benefit while doing this exercise with you all, making it a win-win situation. As already said in the listing, the foremost requirement is the leadership mindset, perception, conception, and prioritization of vision centers as integral part of hospital ecosystem in a hub and spoke model. This will drive the other points which are listed, which are predominantly operationalizing such a commitment by the leadership and the institution. I hope and pray after undergoing this program, all of you would be able to provide primary care in a hybrid mode. ICAMs where necessary, which will be events, and Vision Center as an ongoing program in community. My best wishes. Thank you.